Okay, let's make a start. It's IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you will have to answer. Okay, try to answer confidently and try to make at least 5 to 6 sentences for your answer.
Okay.
Let's start with you. Do you have friends?
Yes, I have many friends. Uh, with my friends, I go to the market for playing games, and I have a lot of friends from my
Okay.
college life.
Okay, I have so many friends and they've been my friends since my college life. Present perfect, okay?
Okay.
Tenses are important. How important are friends to you?
Yes, friends are very important to me because I share a lot of my week diaries with my friends when we meet on weekends and have some chit chat and some food together.
Okay, who is your who is your best friend?
Yes, my best friend name is Ali. This has been my friend from my
He
college.
has been my friend
He has been from my friend from my college
since my college
since my
days. Yeah.
since my college, and I share I have a lot of discussion with my friends when we meet and when we meet together and
Okay.
go for outing somewhere.
Good. What do you usually do when you meet your friends?
Yes, we usually go for a food together when we meet, and most of the time we go to the Yasir Roast that is located that is very near to my home, and their food is also very good.
All right, so we often go there. Now, don't focus the food of that roast company. Just focus your friends and activities with your friends, okay?
Okay.
And at the end, you need to conclude your answer.
Okay.
Overall, fine, but you need to practice. Okay, now it's your turn. What is your favorite day of the week?
The favorite day of my week is Sunday because it is a free day. I don't need to do anything and I feel very relaxed on Sundays.
All right, what do you usually do on this day?
Usually, I prefer to go out for a dinner on Sundays or as it is a free day, so I like to watch any series or any documentary on Sundays.
Okay, so just try to expand your answer, and there should be 5 to 6 sentences, and demonstrate a variety of words which are related. For example, what do you do? Now you need to talk about, well, I mostly do, then whatever you
In
do.
the morning, in the evening, and then
exactly,
goes
like
to
that.
the end.
Okay, let's go on. Which day of the week, or is there any day of the week that you don't like?
Yes, I don't like Mondays because it's very hectic or a very pressure. One day I need to wake up early in the morning.
It's a stressful day.
Stressful day. I need to go early in the morning to my universities, and then I have to do too many houseworks in the evening. So it's a
Okay.
very packed or
All right, what's
busy
your
day.
favorite time of the day? Morning, afternoon, evening, or night?
Usually, I like the evening time. I spend that time with my family and having some snacks. It's a just relaxing time for me. Don't need to be worried about anything for the other work or any kind of activities. That just a free time or a relaxed time.
Okay, just link it with that time of the day. What you've done, you've just given the reference of the time of the day, and then you've explained it's this, this, this. But at the end, again, you need to conclude that is why I love the mornings. Therefore, afternoon time is my most favorite. That is why I like night time. So there should be proper conclusion at the end, and connect your answer with the question. Okay? Good job. Thank you.
Thank you.